getting it done forward. They're running an answer crew. Edgar leading them into the final turn right now. Edgar looking for the low points to move on to a semi. Edgar looking for the one. And he'll get there. Bam, gates down, here we go. April qualifying. Inside line, Logan Collins. Tennessee boy. Mount Juliet to be exact. Collins, always stylish rider. On the gas, through turn number 2, but he's got company. Says heck with the style, let's air it out. Now Collins back on the throttle. Into turn 3. Collins on the right side. Bringing it back. Trying to make it a pair of aces going into his 3rd round, followed by the 115, 114. Gates down, Besserine up, laying it down, right down the front straightaway. Besserine, Argentina, out in front, free agent Rockstar on the top slot. In and out of turn number 2. Streeter trying to find a way in, he'll go on the big pro section, trouble! Knew that was going to happen. Coming to you, Besserine. Right out in front by a country mile. Blackjack chasing Collins, followed by the 57 bike of Robert Taylor. Gate slams down, Colombo with a little Argentinian pull down into turn number 1. Matt Polkamp, dance competition, sitting in that 2 slot. Colombo, Polkamp, 1 and 2. Lamolia riding pretty good. He says, not bad for a 43-year-old. You're right, Domingos. Through the final turn right now. Colombo, Polkamp, Lamolia, 1, 2, 3. Hang on, Domingos! Oh. Wow, gates down, good shot out of Hudson. Your world champion. Coming out of Colorado, 3 in a row, but now the North Carolina kid. Coming at you, Tezar, Factory Feld, SC Action Sports, Carlos and the crew. Coming at you right now, Tezar, Hudson, 1 and 2, into the Louisville final turn. Felt colors, Krupe colors, back to the line, Tezar, Hudson, followed by... Gate is down. Here we go. Good shot down the front straightaway. Felicia Stansel. Man, I don't know if it's much of a long shot by saying she will be on the next women's Olympic team. She's going to be... Hey, is that all you guys got for that? Felicia Stansel, making it look good, Dominique. Gate drops down, here we go. Amanda Geving trying to find a way down the front straightaway into turn number 1. Oh, it's getting crowded. Coming at you, Geving sits on the 2. Cortman out in front. What is going on at the Cortman house? Coming after it, down that long back chute into the final turn. Gavin trying everything she's got. Slam the door shut. Does she hang on? Yes. MCS. Coming back to the line. Gavin, Glenn. Good shot down the front straightaway. Nesvig out in front. Intense Factory coming after it. Townsend having a check up right there. Whitfield right there in front of him. Up and over the big dubs. No troubles for these guys. It is Nesbitt, Whitfield, Townsend, and Widows. Bringing it back to the finish line right now. Russell Dazzleberry picking up the 1. Gate comes down, good shot. Van Ogle didn't get the gate that he wanted, but he's laying down a little bit of Washington horsepower. Hyper Factory out in front. It is Van Ogle through turn number 2. Van Ogle, your lead rider. Whoa, having to stretch it out in that 2 slot. Coming to you, still. Van Ogie Miranda trying to stick his nose in there right now. Dan Ogle, Miranda. Gate drops down, here we go, good shot. Gotta be Stromberg, into turn number 1, Carter Fields. Yeah, 2 of the main event riders from the Olympic Games. Stromberg, Fields, 1 and 2. Bobby Silver, coming back from the stripes, Fields. Stromberg, Fields, Lula, Sam Willoughby out in front. Willoughby on the 1 slot. Bubba Harris in the 2. Come on, you guys got an Americano in the 2 slot. Make some noise, Bubba Harris. Pump it up, coming back this way. Willoughby, Harris, Rogers, and Gate slaps down, elite qualifying on the first straightaway. Oh, I think this guy's putting an exclamation point on him being on the podium today. Denzel Stein, factory red line out front. Johnny Robinson, Josh Myers into the final turn. All 3 of these guys could put it in the main event the way they're riding. Stein, Robinson, Myers, any of them. Good shot out of Corey Cook down the first straightaway on the Speedco ride. Cook, Brown, 1 and 2. Speedco, Krupe, Profile, 1, 2, 3. Out of Temecula, Alabama. Nobles in the 4. Whoa, look at that! Looked like Farrell with the stretch.